Today we will make some another type of flower. We will cut these papers. Today we will make some another kind of flower. We will take the same paper, okay, and now we will make it, fold it in this way. Understood? We will fold it in this way, or by the using some bangles or any kind of circular thing, we will find some circular papers of this, like this. We will make it circular shape. Okay. Now this type of circular shapes are ready. Now we will fold it. In this way. And we'll take the stick and in the middle we'll make some hole in this way. Okay. Now we can cut them in this way. If you want to make some different kind of flowers, you can cut it before or after also, as you wish. It will be marigold flower. It will be marigold. Fold it. If you come to know that how it will be folded, then it will be easier for you. Now see, we have cutted it. Now again we will take the gum. We will put this whole gum here. Now we will take one by one these leaves and we will close this mouth in this way. This is the most important thing to know, that how should you close this one. If you can close this one, if you come to know that how you can close, then it will be very much easier for you to make the flowers. See, first one, we will move this one in this way. So I have made one. Now take the another one in this way, just fold it. Okay, in this way. No need to give the gum again and again, because of the gum these pages may tear. So you will try to use less amount of gum. Without the gum also, if you do in this way, you will take the leaves and just fold it. Here you will just fold it in this way. In this way. You can make it. Understood? In this way. In this way. Understood? So, see. So see, this is the flower is ready now. छोड़ियो ना बोला. Now if you want you can cut them to make the same size. Some seeds here. These are, in this way you will put the gum, and then in this gum you can put these seeds. These seeds you can put. এদিকে রাখো, এদিকে আনো. The second flower is also ready. Okay, so in this way you can make the different colors of flowers, and these cuttings, it depends on you that what type of cutting you will do. If you make the different type of cutting, then different shape will appear. And yes, Yasmin, then you will cut it in the conical shape. Then different kind of flower will you will prepare the different kind of flower. You will be able to prepare different kind of flowers. Okay. The main thing is how you are folding this one. You will fold the last portion and then you will fold it in this way. This is the most important part. So see, I have made these flowers. In this way you will make the flowers and send in the group. Okay, thank you students, and bye bye.